Kia ora, I'm Mandy T with 90 at 9. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news of more big country tariff negotiation updates. But first, American mortgage applications were little changed last week as their benchmark 30-year mortgage rate rose. Meanwhile, American home resales fell in June from May to an annualized rate of under 4 million and down 4.4% from June 2024. This was largely driven by declining sales of single-family homes. But the big news is the US has said it has agreed to a 15% tariff deal with Japan. This is a notable level lower than the arbitrary 25% previously imposed. The main thing Japan had to do was agree to buy things like aircraft that would probably have been bought from the US anyway, but it also supposedly requires Japan to water down its standards for rice imports and open their markets to US cars. Japanese investors loved the deal for Japan, boosting the Nikkei index 2.2% at its market opening yesterday and ending the day up 3.5%. In South Korea, the glow after resolving its presidential issues has seen its consumer sentiment index rise in July from June, the fourth consecutive monthly gain and the highest reading since January 2018. Taiwanese industrial production continues to expand aggressively, up another 18% in June from a year ago. No surprise given the strong order inflows we reported earlier this week. In Europe, there is growing optimism some sort of tariff deal with the US is imminent. The US-Japan deal is being seen as a benchmark, and the optimism is fueled by the early judgment that Japan will come out on top in that one. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.39%, up 5 basis points from yesterday at this time. The price of gold will start today at $3,387, down $40 from yesterday. American oil prices are holding at just over $65, but the international Brent price is still at just under $68.50. The Kiwi dollar is now at 60.4 US cents and up 40 basis points from yesterday. Against the Aussie, we are unchanged at 91.6 Australian cents. Against the euro, we are up 25 basis points at 51.3 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just 67.7, up 20 basis points from yesterday. You can get more news about the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm Mandy T, and we will do this again tomorrow.